Question 19. What is the equation in standard form of the line that passes through the point 6, -1 and is parallel to the line represented by 8x plus 3y equals 15? So for this, I need to find a line that is parallel to this equation and goes through this point. Por esta pregunta, necesito encontrar una línea que es paralela a esta ecuación y también se toca este punto. So the first thing we need to talk about is what is parallel. La primera cosa que debemos hablar es qué es parallel, paralela. So parallel lines are two lines that never touch. Líneas paralelas son dos líneas que nunca se tocan, and they have the same slope, y tienen el mismo slope. Okay, now what is slope? ¿Qué es slope? Remember, slope is m in this slope-intercept form formula. Okay, so slope is the m here. El slope es el m en esta fórmula. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to take this and change it to this form. Necesitamos cambiar esta a esta forma. So part 1, parte 1, let's go ahead and change 8x plus 3y equals 15 into this. So to do that, I need the y alone. Para hacer eso, necesito la y sola. So let's go ahead and do that. So to get the y alone, never move the number with the y first. Para tener la y sola, nunca vamos a mover el número con la y primero. We're going to move the other one. Vamos a mover el otro. This is positive. Este es positivo. The opposite is negative. El opuesto es negativo. So minus 8x. And copy. Y copy al otro lado. 8x minus 8x is 0. Este es 0. Cancel. Se cancela. Here there's nothing. Aquí no hay nada. Copy. 3y. Circle. Encierra. Equals. Here we're going to copy. Aquí vamos a copiar. So this is minus 8x. We're going to copy because they both do not have x. They have different letters. Okay? Tienen diferentes letras. Aquí hay x, aquí no hay x. Son diferentes, entonces copy. Here I have 3 touching y. Aquí tengo 3 tocando la y. This means it's multiply. Significa que este es multiplicación. This is 3 times y. Este es 3 por y. The opposite is divide. El opuesto de multiplicación es división. So divide by 3. And each part, y cada parte, divide by 3. Cancel. Y equals 15 divided by 3. 15 entre 3. That is 5. Negative 8 divided by 3 is the same. Negativo 8 entre 3 es lo mismo. If you don't know, you can put it in the calculator. Si no saben, pueden poner en la calculadora. And copy x, y copy el x. And then we're going to go ahead and switch. Vamos a cambiar. This is negative 8/3 x. Este es negativo. And this is positive, y este es positivo. Here is my changed equation. Aquí está mi ecuación cambiada. Okay? That's part 1. Part 2. Okay? Which one is my slope? ¿Cuál es mi slope? Because that's what's important here. Este es que es importante aquí. Slope is the m. M is the number in front of x. Slope es m. M es el número enfrente de x. Which number is in front of x? ¿Cuál número está enfrente de x? Negative 8/3. So this is m. Este es m. M is negative 8/3. Okay, and I want the same. Y quiero el mismo número. I'm not going to change it. No voy a cambiar because it's parallel, porque es paralela. If it's perpendicular, you will change it. Si es perpendicular, vamos a cambiarlo. But in this case, it's parallel, so we keep it the same. Pero en este caso es paralela, entonces es lo mismo. Now I will need x and y. Where can I get that from? ¿De dónde puedo encontrar? I can find it from my question here. This is x. X is 6. X is 6. Y is negative 1. Y es negativo 1. Okay? So I don't need any other numbers from here. No necesito más números de aquí. No more numbers from here. This is the only one that I needed. Okay? So now, with these numbers, I need to find b. Ahora, con estos números, necesito encontrar la b. So I will use y equals mx plus b. Voy a encontrar y igual mx más b. Let's put the numbers. Vamos a poner los números. Y negative 1 equals m is negative 8 thirds. X is 6 in parentheses plus b. Parentheses first. So we're going to go ahead and put that in the calculator. Paréntesis primero. Entonces vamos a poner ese en la calculadora. Negative 8. Control, divide 3. Go to the right. Parentheses 6. Parenthesis, enter. It's negative 16. Copy plus b. Copy negative 1. I want b alone. Quiero la b sola. So what is with b? ¿Qué está con la b? Negative 16. Negativo 16. The opposite of negative, el opuesto de negativo, positive. Positivo. Copy. Negative 1 plus 16. Negativo 1 más 16. It's 15. 15 equals. This is 0. Es 0. Cancel. Copy b and switch. B is 15. Okay, let's go ahead and do part 3. Make our equation. Vamos a hacer nuestra ecuación. Y equals mx plus b. I change m and b. Voy a cambiar m y b. M is this number. Y equals m negative 8 thirds. Copy x plus b is this number, 15. So these are my numbers. Now, we're not done. No estamos terminados. Why? ¿Por qué? Because here, porque aquí, they are not in the same form. No están en la misma forma. So I'm going to need to change each one. Necesito cambiar cada una to get this, para tener esto. So let's go ahead and do that. Vamos a hacer. So you know what? Let me write, I want y equals negative 8 thirds x plus 15. What I want. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and change A first. Vamos a cambiar la A primero. 8x plus 3y equals negative 45. I want y alone. Quiero la y sola. I will not move the number with the y first. No voy a mover el número con la y primero. I will move the other one. Voy a mover el otro. This is positive. The opposite is negative. Este es positivo. El opuesto es negativo. So minus 8x. Copy minus 8x. 8x minus 8x is 0. Copy 3y. Circle it. Copy because they have different letters. Copy porque tienen diferentes letras. Here no x. Here x. Aquí hay x. Aquí no. Here there's no x, here there is x. Aquí no hay x, aquí hay. And then this is touching, están tocando, that's multiply, es multiplicación. The opposite of multiply is divide, el opuesto es división. 3, each one, cada una. Cancel. Y equals negative 45 divided by 3, negativo 45 entre 3, negative 15. And negative 8 thirds, negative 8 divided by 3 is the same, es lo mismo. X, and we switch, y vamos a cambiar. Negative 8 thirds x minus 15. This is no good, no es bueno, because here it's positive, porque aquí es positivo. Here it's negative, aquí es negativo. They are different. So this is not the answer, no es A. No es la A. Okay, I think it might be C, creo que es la C. So let's go ahead and try it. Vamos a intentar, okay? So it's not A, C. 8x plus 3y equals 45. I want y alone. Quiero la y sola. Don't move the number with the y first. No vamos a mover el número con la y primero. We move the other one. Vamos a mover el otro. This is positive, es positivo. The opposite is negative. El opuesto es negativo. Minus 8x. Copy. Minus 8x. 8x minus 8x, 0, 0. Copy, 3y, circle, encierra, equals. Copy, because they have different letters. Copy porque tienen diferentes letras. This is multiply, es multiplicación. The opposite is divide, el opuesto es división. 3, each one, cada una, divide 3. Cancel, y equals. 45 divided by 3, 45 entre 3, 15, 15. Negative 8 divided by 3, negativo 8 entre 3 is the same, es lo mismo. Copy X. And at the end, we're going to go ahead and switch. Vamos a cambiar. This is negative 8/3 X. This is positive 15. And it looks like this is my answer, es mi respuesta. C is my answer because it's exactly the same. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and leave a comment.